think it's Dilcher-Turner Canyon Forest. Never been here before. The parking lot is so small, so you can only fit like 2 cars in it. I've been wanting to come here for a while and I completely forgot about it. We will see what it's about. So we are here and we're gonna go this way, up, down, around, and back. This place is right next to a railroad, right there if you can see it, right there. So I really hope a train doesn't come because it's gonna be so loud. The squirrels around here sound like they're 100 pounds. Just trampling everywhere. Even these little chipmunks sound like deer running around. The birds are definitely out yelling this morning. It's a little chilly though. It's about 40 degrees right now, so this is perfect for hiking. Yeah, you really hug up against this railroad track right there. Here's why I wanted to come. The bluffs they have here, the small waterfalls, right here. Now, do you think somebody put that there, or did it actually fall? Actually, it might have fallen off this right here. So crazy. Like, what are the odds that it falls in between the 2 trees and just stays there? Kind of hard to see right here, but the waterfall we were at is way over here. If you go, that's part of where we were, and there's another one right there that comes all the way down. I do not want to go off trail today, so I'm just gonna look at it from over here. Okay, so I lied. I'm going off trail to see this cave looking thing I've seen from the trail on the other side of the waterfall over there. And it's right over there. But it looks like there's a gate blocking access to it. Alright, well, the gate has been torn down and there's a house up there. I don't know if this is private property or not, so I'm just gonna enjoy it. That right there, I thought it was a cave, but it's just a little waterfall. I'll just enjoy it from here. I definitely don't want to trespass. If you can see, there's a house right there, so don't want to be that guy, you know what I'm saying? All right, back on the trail, and let's knock this loop out. It's only about a 1.5 mile loop, so Shouldn't take us much time to get back to the car. Surprised there's not more people out here hunting for morels. Seen one guy back there, but he didn't look like he was morel hunting. I could be wrong though. I have heard that woodpecker since I've been here, and I cannot find it. Do not know where he's at. More of these like rock bluffs. I guess that's what they call them, bluffs. I just call them rocks, boulders. How crazy is it that that tree is just growing on top of that boulder, you know? It's crazy. It is. I mean, look at that. That's nuts. I'm just gonna grow here. Don't worry, don't mind me, I'll just move. I'll just go over you. Yeah, I live here now. Kind of hard to see, but you see all the rock and everything up on that ridge there. That's pretty cool. The greenery is definitely coming out, so if I would have waited a couple more weeks to come here, I wouldn't have been able to see most of this because it'd be hiding behind the trees and everything. So I feel like I came at a good time. I bet this is a nice, cool waterfall right here. When after heavy rain, I'm sweating. After a nice heavy rain, looks awesome. This is my first hike back in Indiana since we went out west and hiked in the desert. Spring is here though. It feels great. However, hopefully in a couple of weeks, more of the spring flowers and everything will start coming out and the forest will start filling up a little more. You can already see a lot of greenery coming out, but a couple more weeks. All right, let's get this loop done. There's our sign. We went that way, came back out that way. Now we're going straight, heading straight out here. This is an awesome little park. It's quiet. The birds are super active. You can get lucky after rainfall. You can see some waterfalls, some little ones, but nonetheless, they're still waterfalls. Some nice bluffs, rocks, and the trail's well marked. So I didn't even have to open all trails to see where I was at. So white blazes all the way through. Tell you where you're going. That's a huge plus. All right, there's my car right there. Truck parked beside me. You can see that there's like no room. Look at this parking lot. 2 cars. And that's all you can fit in here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, see you in the next one.